Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna play these 4 levels and maybe some levels in this world. Let's see here. There's a boat here. So we need to build over it. Okay. They go at the same time and the boat goes first. I'm thinking we'll need springs. Springs is probably the way to go. Let's see here. Yeah, that should work. Not much of a margin, but we don't need those here. Except for other car. But I thought it disappeared first when I hovered over this one. So both of the cars need to take that one. Okay, boat. Then car. Good. Okay, now we have the other car. Yeah. Let's see how well this goes. Can we move this one? Yes. That's good. Let's just remove that and connect like that. We need to see a bit of this one, okay. Yeah. So I'm thinking that in the middle there we have springs instead. I not copied this correctly. Okay, you can't reach. Now? Good. Okay. So that works. And then maybe if we have a road there and a road here. Maybe. Let's see. Can we have these? I want these ones to touch. And then be connected to springs like this and that. And let's connect the middle with steel. Okay. Don't think this will work. They took the stars. That's progress. Didn't do that last time. Doing some wall brace and some more wall bracing. We could slow one of these cars down. Yeah, let's slow this car down. This will probably stop him completely. Yes. Now we know this car can collect the star if this one is not on it or underneath it. Okay, good. Nice. That worked excellently. And my speaking is very well. Okay, we have 1 piston. Only 1 hydraulic in a larger boat. Oh no, what shall we do? Ah, disappointment. I would like to have like drag this car here, place it so I can see if it would fit. Okay. We need to make this hold up everything. So let's see what we can do. And the auto triangulate tool is really useful for this. Just fixing the triangles. Then I will simulate, but the bridge will break. I'm 90% certain that the bridge will break. Can you easily reinforce there? I was correct. Honestly, I thought it would break before the ambulance went over, but I didn't say that to you guys. So you didn't know that. And that's perfect fitting. That as well. Okay. So just... I'm guessing that that won't move it enough. And it breaks now. That's not nice. Yeah. It's hard moving all this road. Yeah, so that doesn't work. Okay. I don't think that will work either, but I want to try. We'll see how that changes the movement. Okay. So when you move it like that, it will go at a 45-degree angle. So if we have it here, how long is it? It's 90 meters. So we would have a bridge like there if we move it like that. And that's definitely not enough. So I'm thinking maybe push it like this and backwards here. But let's have a pivot point here instead. So it's closer to the piston. And we definitely want to be over the rock, not underneath. We still have a lot of budget left. I'm guessing this will not work because of the flip, but we can fix that by doing this. The cable might snap, and the boat might touch this one, and over there as well. Okay, so not enough. We can have a bit of an overlap, because when the piston moves this here, it changes the angle here. Okay. New plan. Now we connect it like this, so we can move it without changing other parts of the bridge. I thought, like, why does that happen? It's extending, but I made a new one and it wasn't in extending mode. Yeah, that's definitely far enough. So we can shorten it to make the bridge cheaper. We don't need to make it cheaper, but still. Yeah. Just a bit more power. A bit more distance. Good. Perfect. And it worked for that car as well. Nice. Oh, weight distribution. Yeah, this is nice. So, on this level, we need to create a bistable system, pretty much. Let's see here. A, B, C. Oh, it's not the level I was thinking about. Okay. It's a later level that I was thinking about. So this is just, we need to brace the bridge differently from a normal one. Sure. This will not work, but I just want to see how it fails. Okay. So if we compress these ones 10% maybe. And this one won't move it down far enough. Okay, good to know. Yeah, that did not work. That might work. If this spring gets compressed, it will move this one to the right, as you see here. But not far enough. Okay. If the spring is longer, it can move. It needs less force for it to move a longer distance. Or something. My words are not perfect. I know that one thing. If I have some springs here, they will definitely be compressed more. Yeah, you see? Absolutely terrible. Can't hold up anything. And let's have it to be compressed 40%. Good. Okay. You could say that worked. So we need a bigger spring to make it compress more over a longer distance. So this car can fit. And maybe just have something like that. Or something here. Just to help it the last bit. And reinforce this one. Last spring here, and do not click on H to hide everything. Okay, that's a bit too much. Place that one here and have that one stretched 20% so it becomes shorter. That worked. Awesome. Now here. Not quite what I wanted, but not completely wrong either. Okay, now all of this is reinforced. And the bridge is too heavy now. So increase the compression. Good. Okay. So the bridge wobbles too much up and down. A cure for that problem would be to maximize or minimize how far up it can go. Should probably be a spring instead of steel. Yeah. Oh. Actually, I didn't know that. But spring is less expensive than steel. You see? So this spring counteracted the effect quite effectively. I just want to see the difference. Yeah, that's really wobbly. And this is a lot less wobbly. Nice. Okay, so this car goes here and then there. No rock on the right side. Okay. So long bridge, no rock, except this rock. And if I remember correctly, if you do this, it will move to the correct position directly. So that's nice. Let's have it nice and perfect over here. And different on this side. Because it's the end. And we're over budget already. Okay. Yeah, this might be a challenge. But as always, first solve the level, then fix the problems. Okay, let's do bigger triangles. I don't know why I didn't do them full size from the beginning. Full size triangles are a lot better. No, it didn't go up there perfectly. Huh. Now we have it on a point that we can move easily. And we're only 20k over budget. So yeah, well, we're gonna be fine. Still nothing to worry about. But it's like 60% over budget. Perfect snap. And that works. Yeah, let's drop the budget now. I think we'll have to go with another design. So we land brace here to here. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. We don't have rope. Okay, can I do this? Do you have a distance? Yes, you have. Good. 9 meters. 12 meters. So it's closer to brace on this side. Steel here. Do something like this because we don't have rope. Move that one up. Okay. If we do something like this, we can... Does it break? Yes. Have that support from down here. It's a more efficient support that way. By a lot, good. Moving up. Okay, works. I wonder if I can do this instead. It's cheaper, but I don't think it will work. Oh, it did. Nice. We can lower these by a lot. And maybe change out some stuff to wood. Nice. We can change out to it. And is it cheaper? Does it get cheaper by being longer or shorter? So longer is pretty much cheaper here, which is uncommon, but it's because if I increase the length here, I will change the length of both of them. So it's not one steel to one piston length, it's some other factor. And it's a factor that changes depending on the angle. If they are close to 45 degrees out, I think it would be at 2.5, like the square root of 2 divided by 2. So 0.7 for each. let's try and change some of these out. Could maybe go and change some wood as well, some road as well. We have dropped the budget by a lot. You broke? I don't want that. Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens if we do. Can we do this here? How would that affect stuff? Yeah, this is definitely a bit high for a land brace, but let's see how it goes. And definitely do not support this with a piston. That might work. No, where did it break? Over here? Okay. Not liking this. So we have a support here and one here. We might be able to do this one better by doing something like this, and it might even be cheaper because we're using a bit of wood instead. Like that. It's probably not cheaper. It's... Oh, there's a split joint there. When did I place that one? I don't remember placing it. That's good. So I just want to see how badly it falls apart. I think the solution will work. Like, oh, did thing? Yeah, stuff didn't break. Perfect. A perfect one-time use bridge. I don't know what the budget will be if I change all of these out to wood, but it should lower the budget at least. Same thing here. Not by a lot, but a tiny bit. Okay, yeah. So here, most stress went down into the top beam because it was straighter. So the power from, or the force interacting here will goes down here. So we want to have it on a curve down there, and the closer we have to that curve pretty much, the worse it is. That's nice. Could maybe make this shorter, could replace that to wood. This one to wood, because it's not holding a lot of stress. Could maybe do that. And this. Good. We could replace both of them. Like, we might be able to do something like this, where we have one in the middle and then connect both to it. Like this. I said it might. This should not work. Yeah. With the correct angles, this might work. Okay. So, what was cost this? So 39,811. Okay. $39,900. Okay. Can we make this more efficient? Don't think so. Okay. Let's have one at the start, but splits into two. Remove one wood at least. Still breaks. Still breaks. Okay. That's not working. This won't work. This should be cheaper. I don't know if it will handle all the stress, but we will see. Yeah, let's change out some of the steel structures to wooden ones. So now I have a steel arc over the structure, and the trusses in the middle are just plain wood, because most of the stress in the bridge goes in the top and the bottom. We dropped the budget by a lot. Nice! We're close to our goal. Yeah, let's see. Maybe it works now? Looks like it. Nice! And this will be all from me today. If you like this video, like it if you want to see more things from me, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.